Nilinaw ho ng Malacanang na hindi binabaliktad ng Pangulo ang pahayag nito patungkol sa kanya pong mga ari-arian. Paliwanag ni Presidential Spokesperson Ernesto Abella, ipinapaliwanag lamang ho ni Pangulong Duterte kung paano umunlad ang kanilang pamilya o kanilang buhay. Matandaang nitong Huwebes ay sinagot ng Pangulo ang mga alegasyon ni Senador Antonio Trillanes IV hinggil sa munoy malaking pera daw ho sa bank account ng Pangulo. Dito sinabi ng Pangulo na nag-iwan ang kanyang ama na si dating Davao Governor Vicente Duterte ng mana at hindi ho sila mahirap.
Una-una hindi flip-flop yan. It's just an explanation of how the family progressed as a family. No?
Yes, sir.
Pagdating nila sa Mindanao, and especially nung kabataan pa ni Mayor ni Rodrigo Duterte as a young man, they did not have any luxuries, wala silang lavish lifestyle, hindi sila mayaman. Because the parents, una-una, immigrants yan no? Talagang hindi pa sila nakapag-impok. So he really had nothing, not naman nothing, but meron man silang sweldo and all that. But they were government employees, no? So there was nothing there. Except that during, nung kapag impok na yung magulang niya, when the father died, meron siyang iniwan na inheritance.